Welcome to Best Choice. The best Camomila Intea is probably one of the most talked about hair products for those seeking natural highlights and a sun-kissed glow. Today, we're diving deep into this popular product, exploring its ingredients, application, and, most importantly, whether it lives up to the hype. We'll cover everything you need to know to decide if Camomila Intea is the right choice for your hair care routine. Number 5. Camomila Intea Blond Spray, Chamomile Hair Lightener. This natural blonde hair color spray uses the power of plants to deliver amazing results. You can enjoy honey locks all year round. Forget expensive salon trips and choose this safer, natural option. This premium formula relies on chamomile extract to lighten your hair up to 4 tones. It contains no ammonia or parabens, so you can enjoy gentle hair care from the comfort of your home. Unlike complicated hair dyes, this hair lightener comes in a practical spray bottle. All you need to do is apply a few spritzes directly on the locks, rub together and run your fingers through your hair. This progressive formula allows you to experiment with different tones. Control the amount of product used to achieve a sun-kissed look, balayage, or highlights. With this spray, you don't have to worry about hair damage or frizz. The formula is designed to progressively lighten your hair, as well as keep it shiny and smooth. It's clinically tested to counter violet pigmentation too. What we like? This spray offers a gentle way to lighten your hair. It's super easy to apply, just a few spritzes and you're good to go. If you're looking for a natural way to achieve sun-kissed highlights without damaging your hair, this is the perfect product for you. What people say. Camomila Intea is a hair lightening product that gradually lightens hair. It is suitable for all hair types. It is easy to use and apply. Number 4. Camomila Intea Natural Blonde Hair Lightener Kit. This is the perfect kit for those looking to lighten their hair naturally. It's a 3-in-1 kit designed to give you beautiful, sun-kissed blonde locks. It's easy to use and gentle on your hair. Achieve a stunning, natural blonde with this product. It's formulated with chamomile, known for its lightening properties. You'll love the way it enhances your hair's color. This kit includes everything you need for a complete hair lightening experience. It's convenient and effective, making it simple to achieve your desired look. The kit makes the process easy. The formula is designed to be gentle on your hair. It helps lighten your hair without causing damage. You can enjoy a beautiful new look without compromising your hair's health. Transform your hair with this amazing product. It's the perfect way to achieve a beautiful, natural blonde. Try it today and see the difference. What we like? This kit provides a complete solution for achieving beautiful blonde hair. It's designed to lighten your hair naturally. If you're seeking a comprehensive approach to lightening and enhancing your blonde locks, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. Excellent product, it works. I put it on my son's hair, it was brown and it turned him blonde. This shampoo is great, it leaves hair soft and shiny. Esta marca siempre me ha gustado, aclara el cabello rubio, cierto es que yo a veces lo noto más graso, no suelo usarlo todos los días, alterno con otro shampoo para raíces grasas. Lo recomiendo. Number 3. Intea Blonde Hair Conditioner, 8.5 ounces. This conditioner adds essential nutrients, leaving your hair shiny, hydrated, and silky. It's specially formulated for blonde or light-colored hair, helping it look its best. Infused with chamomile flower extract, it provides the protection your hair needs. This paraben-free formula is gentle yet effective, ensuring your hair stays healthy. After shampooing, apply the conditioner to your hair. Let it sit for a few minutes, allowing it to work its magic. Then, rinse thoroughly with water. It helps shield your hair from external factors like pollution, wind, sun, and pool water. It also protects against damage from frequent use of hair dryers. With over a century of experience, the brand is committed to creating cosmetic products with natural ingredients. You can trust this product to care for your hair. What we like? This conditioner revitalizes and protects your blonde hair. It's formulated with natural chamomile extract to keep your hair healthy. If you like to keep your blonde hair shiny, hydrated and protected from environmental factors, this conditioner is a must-have. What people say. It had more natural ingredients and it was designated for blonde hair. Lightens my 3-year-old's blonde hair. I love the way her hair is brighter and shine. I've used this product on my baby's blonde hair and it has taken amazing care of it and helps keeping the blonde shiny and beautiful. Number 2. Camomila Intea Blonde Highlights Hair Lightener Spray. This spray is designed to gently lighten your blonde hair. It's perfect for maintaining a uniform shade, highlighting, or touching up dark roots. This product offers a permanent effect. The formula includes chamomile flower extract to protect your hair. It's free of parabens, ammonia, and alcohol, ensuring a gentle experience. It also won't cause any staining. We are committed to cruelty-free practices. Neither the product nor its ingredients have been tested on animals. You can feel good about using this product. Enhance your hair's brightness with sun and sea. Simply apply the spray and let it dry naturally. The marine environment will further lighten and brighten your hair. With over a century of experience, we create products with natural ingredients. This product reflects our commitment to quality and natural beauty. Trust the brand that has been around for over 100 years. What we like. This spray provides a permanent lightening effect, perfect for maintaining highlights. It's also cruelty-free, so you can feel good about your purchase. If you like to lighten your hair while ensuring your product is ethically made, you should consider this one. What people say. Me gusta ayuda a mantener el color de cabello de mi hija hidrada y de brillo. Hinatadu como a poco el tono se aclara de forma natural, especialmente en las puntas y zonas más claras de base. He visto el cambio desde el 1 día. Mi ayud con un cicator y la tu aplicación la hice en seco, muy ligera, para salir a la calle. Casi no me toco el sol y aun así se aprecia el aclarado. Y por si fuera poco, no me ha resecado nada el cabello, casi diría que lo tengo más suave. Number 1. Intea Hair Mask for Blonde Hair. This hair mask is designed to restore and protect your hair. It's perfect for nourishing blonde hair that has been damaged by highlights or other processes. This product is specially formulated for all types and tones of blonde hair. It provides shine and lightness to highlights, whether your hair is naturally blonde, dyed, or rinsed. The chamomile flower extract helps to retain and enhance your hair color. Its active ingredients revitalize and regenerate your hair, leaving it bright, light, and soft. After shampooing, apply the mask to damp hair, from roots to tips. Massage it in and spread it evenly. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse thoroughly with warm water. With over 100 years in the market, this brand creates hair products with natural ingredients. These products are designed to protect and revitalize your hair. What we like. This hair mask restores and protects damaged blonde hair. It enhances highlights and adds shine. If you have dry or damaged blonde hair and want to restore its health and vibrancy, this mask is ideal for you. What people say. This does lighten hair without drying it out. The Intea hair mask is one of the best brightening hair masks for fine straight color treated blonde hair. This mask does not weight my hair down and makes the blonde color brighter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.